How to start selling on eBay. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to start selling on ebay.com easy and fast. So all what you have to do to become a seller is log in and create account, and then go to the top right here on your name and choose account settings. Now all what you have to do, go to seller dashboard right here, and now click on start selling, and it will take you to another page so you can create your listing and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.